Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
爸
Now please follow me to learn the pronunciation.
爸波啊爸爸爸爸爸爸，这是我的爸爸，这是我的爸爸。啊爸啊爸啊爸是我的牵挂。阿爸是我的牵挂。老爸老爸，我的老爸很幽默。我的老爸很幽默。
Now let's write this Chinese character. When it comes to Chinese characters with many strokes or complex structures, first, don't be afraid to write them. Second, calm down and write slowly. Progress will come naturally with practice. The key to writing this character is to make the upper part taller, leaving enough space for the lower part. Only then will it look good. Not only should you write it higher, but these two strokes also need to be longer. The character we learned today is the common Chinese term for father. It mainly consists of two parts, upper and lower. Its original meaning is an adult man who holds tools to support his family. In China, a father is usually the backbone of the family, symbolizing responsibility, commitment, and providing for the family. That's all for this lesson. See you next class.